Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Discovery Plus on LG Smart TV. Quick setup step by step clearly. To activate Discovery Plus on your LG Smart TV, start by ensuring your TV is connected to the internet. Next, navigate to the LG Content Store on your home screen. Use the search function to find the Discovery Plus app. Once you locate the app, select it to open the app's detail page. Click on the Install button to download the app onto your television. After the installation completes, open the Discovery Plus app from your home screen. When the app launches, you will see a login screen. If you already have a Discovery Plus account, enter your credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one directly through the app. Upon logging in, a unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Now, take note of this activation code. Open a web browser on your computer or smartphone. Visit the activation website at www.discoveryplus.com/activate. Enter the activation code you noted earlier. Follow the prompts to link your account with your LG Smart TV. Once successfully activated, return to the Discovery Plus app on your TV. You should now have access to all the content available on Discovery Plus. Enjoy your streaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.